Hello everyone. So for my diagramming topics, my topic is tissues and specifically muscles. So in this video, I will talk about the three kinds of muscles, which we have like three main kinds of muscle tissue. So first of all, let's talk about skeletal muscles. So these muscles are the muscles which are like found in our arms, in our legs. So like whenever we do any voluntary movement, which means like any movement which is in our control, so these muscles are found there. So it's found basically in our limbs. And some features about these muscles. So these they have striations. So they have like bands over there. So whenever we look at them under the microscope and you see some striations, those indicate skeletal muscles. Okay. And then one more thing is that they have multiple nuclei. So you will see various nuclei in the cells. There's just not one nucleus, but various nuclei in cells. So these are two of the identifying features of skeletal muscles. All right. Next, we have smooth muscles. So these muscles are seen in the organs where we have involuntary movement. For example, our digestive system. So like we don't feel like when our gut is moving or our stomach is moving, right? So these are all involuntary movements, not in our control. So they are controlled by smooth muscles. So some identifying features of these muscles are that the cells are spindle shaped. So they are like spindles, like they are like taped at the ends and like they're narrow towards the ends, okay, and wide in the middle. So these are spindle shaped cells. And one more thing is that they are single nucleus. They have single nucleus. So you will see just one nucleus in each cell. Okay. As compared to skeletal muscles, they were multinucleated, and these are single nucleated. Okay. I'm sorry. And then the last one is the cardiac muscles. So, as the name suggests, cardiac means heart. So, these muscles are found in our heart. And then, so when you look at the features of these muscles, just imagine that you have to have some feature from skeletal muscles and some feature from smooth muscles. And so we do have. So first of all, they also have striations. So that's the thing which they got from skeletal muscles. And then they are single nucleated, which is like similar as in smooth muscles. So okay, so one thing similar to smooth muscles is that they have single nucleus, and the thing similar to skeletal muscles is that they have striations. And then they have also one more feature which is like unique to these muscles, which is branching. So these muscles are really connected to each other, and those connections are called intercalated disc. So as we know that when our heart beats, so it has to contract, right? Contract and expand, and all that together. So that's why they have this intercalated disc and the branching, which help them to contract in a rhythm. Okay, so which is very important for the heart. And so this is like the main function of these muscles. So that's all. So yeah, so these are present in the heart to pump blood. Okay. Yeah, so that's all. Just these three kinds of muscles. And just remember, striations are present in both skeletal and cardiac muscles. Single nucleus is in smooth and cardiac muscles, and then branching is only in cardiac muscles. Thank you. Hope it's helpful to you. Bye bye.